In August of 2005, disaster struck. Hurricane Katrina was one of the most devastating natural disasters in U.S. history, doing $125 billion in damage and claiming the lives of almost 2,000 people. The theme park, Six Flags New Orleans, was submerged under 6 feet of seawater for several weeks. It was left abandoned, rusted, damaged, but still there, its giant roller coasters still standing, consumed by nature in the far eastern part of the city. And on that note, let's explore.